Stop typing numbers in Excel. In this video, I'll show you how to control values with a spin button and make your sheet interactive. Okay, let's jump in. First, we need the Developer tab, because spin buttons live there. Right-click anywhere on the Excel ribbon, and choose Customize the ribbon. Check Developer, and click OK. You should now see the Developer tab at the top. Go to the View tab, and uncheck Grid Lines. Now let's insert the spin button. Go to Developer, and click Insert. Under Form Controls, choose Spin Button. Draw it anywhere on the sheet. Now let's connect the spin button to a cell. This is where the magic happens. A spin button doesn't store values by itself, instead, it controls a linked cell. In this example, cell B2 represents our sales target units. Right-click the spin button, and select Format Control. Set the current value to 10. Set the minimum to 1, and the maximum to 100. For incremental change, enter 1. This controls how much the value moves with each click. Finally, link the control to cell B2. Then click OK. Watch what happens now. As I click the up and down arrows, the value in cell B2 updates instantly. Now this is where the spin button really shines. Cell B2 shows units sold, and it's fully controlled by our spin button. In cell C2, we have the price per unit, here set to $25. And cell D2 we will calculate total sales. Type equals B2, multiply by C2, and press Enter. Watch what happens. As I click the spin button, the number of units changes, and Excel instantly recalculates total sales in real time. If this video helped you, please like it, it really supports the channel. Share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more practical Excel tips you can use immediately. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.